everyone, welcome to another paint with me. I thought I would take you along with a new painting I'm doing. Here are some little scenes of my town in the south of France. This is the Canal du Midi. We have many such canals like this, and it's springtime now, so I thought I would take you along with me along the waterway. The idea for this painting came from a song, and it's basically the concept of when you look in the mirror and see somebody, it's not necessarily the same person that other people see when they look at you. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you for painting with me, and you can check out more of my paintings on my website.